I came across some sketches I did for a client, and they served as a reminder of how important it is for a flat sketch to really reflect the fit expression that you intend for a garment. So take a look at these 3 sketches. Now they're pretty simple, but these sketches were used on hang tags for leggings, and they were used so that the customer could quickly tell just from the visual what they were buying. Now, can they examine the garment? Of course they can, but I want you to think about your own experience buying leggings, particularly black leggings. And if you've never had to buy them for yourself or someone else, I want you to think about approaching a store rack that is a sea of black pants. They all look the same. And for many customers, if they can't quickly decide what they need, especially when it comes to something basic like a pair of leggings or a t-shirt or socks, they get frustrated, walk away, and they don't buy anything. So the hang tag was a great marketing tool to help the customer decipher what they're looking at and what fit that particular item was, whether it was a bootleg, cropped, or a regular ankle legging. They can find what they want quickly, make their purchase, and get on to the next thing. And they were able to do that because the sketch was an accurate depiction of the fit expression. So I know I talk about this all the time, but it's really important, which is why my courses focus a lot on drawing accurate and proportional flat sketches. When you think about fashion design, most people think about the pretty stuff. And when they think about fashion sketching, they usually think about illustration. And that is part of it, but the majority of what you're doing as a designer is not that. And that's not to say that flat sketches can't be pretty. I've done some good looking flat sketches in my day, if I do say so myself. But usually it's the not so pretty and sometimes the not so fun stuff that's selling the product. And if you work for or own a fashion brand, selling is always important. Thanks for watching today's video. Check out the links in the description for my freebies and to learn more about my courses. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next time.